So this is a resolution which is entitled "A Fresh Attack on Secularism in BJP Ruled States." And the actual focus of this resolution, it's not a general resolution on what the BJP and the RSS are doing all over India as far as subversion of the constitution is concerned, but very specifically in BJP ruled states, how these states are using or misusing their governmental power to translate the RSS ideology of Hindutva into policy of the government and also into the legal framework. The first illustration we give, there are many, many examples given, but the first one we give is from Karnataka. We all know about the hijab issue and the government circular which virtually prohibits the wearing of hijab in educational institutions by young Muslim women, even where it has been permitted by the school or the college administration. And we have seen how this has been backed up by the government in its totally objectionable petition to the High Court, misleading the High Court, I would say. In any case, there's an appeal in the Supreme Court. Let's wait for that. But in Karnataka, in the last few months, we have seen a new anti-conversion law in the name of preventing forcible conversion. We have seen the huge attack on Christian communities. You see, there is an attack by the Sangh Parivar, there's a manufactured agenda with mob mentality mobilization by the Sangh Parivar, and then immediately the government, led by the BJP or of the BJP, intervenes to bring policy and law. So this is happening in state after state. Today we have more than 8 BJP ruled states where the anti-conversion laws have been expanded to include this so-called love jihad, which is nothing but an outright assault on the constitutional and legal right of adult couples to choose their own partners. This is criminalizing love. It is penalizing love if the boy happens to be a Muslim or a Christian and the girl a Hindu. So this attack on minorities therefore gets a different lease of life by the backing of the government. The other aspect that we see in these policy frameworks, we've already seen the anti-cow slaughter laws, which have also extremely draconian provisions. We have seen how it's just completely ruined lakhs and lakhs of livelihoods, not just of the minority community, but Dalits, those involved in the leather trade, and so on. So basically, the resolution focuses with very important examples and illustrations, and this points to the danger of how the democratic right to vote is being used as an instrument by the BJP to translate that electoral power into something which is going to completely destroy the framework of secularism in our constitution. And therefore, we have given a call to the entire party to intervene on every single issue in the states where the BJP rules, wherever it passes such policies and laws, as part of the wider struggle to defend India, to defend secularism, and to defend the unity of the people of India.